Hi guys, today we're making our very own snow globe.
Wow, our very own snow globes. That sounds so exciting.
My hands are blue because I was eating blueberries.
What? That's so bizarre. Okay. Do you guys like blueberries too?
I love blueberries.
We love them in our house. So here we are. What you guys are gonna need is some sort of a jar with a lid that screws on really tightly. We found this plastic one. And the lid goes right in.
And it's really bouncy, look.
Whoops. You know.
and it's very bouncy, look.
So yeah, plastic is better than glass for a child's snow globe. But plastic can also break, so maybe don't bounce it. So that's ours. So you can use whatever. If you're gonna use a glass jar, ask your adult for help. And if it's okay. Oh look, it's Arya Snowglobe. Hello Arya. Hello. Oh, my fingers are blue too. Alright, so what we're gonna do.
Mommy was eating blueberries.
What are we doing first, Arya? You can lead this tutorial.
Water!
Water, alright. So now we're gonna add some water. How about I hold it steady?
Guys, this is gonna be an ocean one.
An ocean snow globe. Ooh, oh wow, look at that. So we've got some blue water there. Would you like some more water to fill it all the way up?
Yeah.
A little bit of space, like right there. Wow, it's very pretty. So we added some blue food coloring. Pretty.
Yeah, guys. We don't have any spoons in the houses because the fairies steal all of them, so we're just gonna mix with a broken.
Yeah, all our spoons.
With a broken pencil.
We do that.
See? It's a broken pencil.
That works. Nice.
And it doesn't even turn blue, so it's good.
All right, let's see. Ooh, that's looking good. Do you want a little more?
Nope, that looks
All
good.
right, so when you guys think your snow globe is full enough, then you can move on to the next step. What's the next step?
Glitter.
You guys know you can buy plant-based glitter? It's even better for the environment. This glitter is not plant-based glitter. It was given to us by a friend. But you can buy plant-based glitter. It's your craft supplies.
So thank you, Aunt Heather, if you're watching this video.
Thank you, Aunt Heather. Wow. Look at that. Ooh. Now you can also add some vegetable oil or glycerin if you'd like.
Vegetable oil.
Okay.
Let's go.
Just to give it a little bit of a mixy mix effect. You can add that to your. Ooh! Ah! Look how it floats on the top. It is less dense than water. And it looks like the glitter is also less dense than the water, which is interesting because usually in snow globes you want the glitter to fall down.
When you look way far away, the water looks dark. And when you look really close, it looks... Oh my goodness!
Whoa, something's happening.
The glitter is falling down.
That's cool. See? The glitter is pulling the oil down? What's happening? What?
There's oil bubbles.
That's
let me
cool.
lift it up for a second.
We are very interested.
Guys, look. There's glitter bubbles going down.
Whoa, they're coming back up. Hey! That's cool.
It's kind of like Mom's lava lamp.
It is. We got glitter all over the table, but that's okay. We'll clean it. All right, now what? What's next?
Glitter! I put glitter in my hair.
Sparkly. Really sparkly. Now what?
Now we're gonna add something pretty. I don't know what's pretty to add, but we're gonna add something pretty.
Something pretty. Well, we can't fit you in there. Just cutting up some tin foil and making little balls of it.
It's kind of sharp right here. So
It is. Be careful, kids.
Oh, there's a bubble going up.
Whoa.
It just went up. And it hit the tin foil and then it popped.
This is very cool.
And guys,
Whoa! There. That's good.
Whoa.
That's
Guys,
just
look
to
how lumpy
try to
it
keep
is.
the germs from forming inside the ball. See if that helps. Wow, it
It
looks
smells
so
like hand
cool. Look at it.
sanitizer.
It
in there.
stinks. So relaxing. So relaxing. Just a nice, relaxing snow globe. Watch the snowflakes fall. Think about how.
I put a giant one in there.
Looks like the earth. Wow. See the green land and
Mommy?
the blue. Yeah.
So guys, the other cap didn't work, so we had to use a jar cap. But look, it's done.
It's so pretty. Look at the. Whoa. Look at this.
Your own snow globe.
Thanks for watching.
I made an
everybody.
ocean one, guys.
This is our ocean snow globe. Wow, it's so pretty. It's relaxing, it's fun, it's interactive, and crafty. Whoa! Whoa.
It looks like the ocean, right, Mom?
It sure does. It looks like when you dive way down deep and the waves go over and the seaweed pieces are, and the fish are swimming around. It's beautiful. Well done.
Anyways, guys, that's how you make your own snow globe. Bye!
Have a great day.